Hey, it's Paul over here at Styrene Relics. Want to say thank you for stopping back in again. I've got, I guess, some stash ads to show you. I went over to my sister-in-law's house a couple days ago, change her filter in her furnace. Excuse me. And got down there and my older brother had passed away early this spring, and I didn't know that he had model kits like he did. He enjoyed modeling. Well, he's the one that got me started modeling, so he got away from it and was slot car drag racing. So I know a bunch of these kits he was going to drag race, build them for drag racing. So I'm not going to do that. Our drag racing guy is now moved on, closed his shop, and so we don't have anything anywhere close by anymore. But I wanted to show you what I picked up over there and brought home. They're pretty cool kits. They're not real old. They're just really cool. And I can see him wanting to build them. So I'm going to try and build these. There's several that I have. But there's many more. He's almost as bad as me. And so I just grabbed two arms full, and so we'll see how that went. First off, I got a box full of R&R vacuum formed skirts. These are skirts for a 40 Ford, 39 Ford. Vacuum. You cut them to the size you want, how deep you want them. Let's see what else he's got. He's got a teardrop hood scoop. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, that's R&R vacuum. They were here in town. They were right here in Flint. Here's a set of bubble skirts, custom bubble skirts. I'm almost certain those will go on a 55, 56 Chevy. 57s I already have set aside. I got regular resin cast for those. Here's some more teardrop skirts from vacuum, R&R vacuum. So pretty cool. Cut them down to size. Turnpike skirts. That'd look good on a 60 Chevy or just about anything with a bigger size like that. Big Galaxy or something. What do we got here? More bubble skirts. Pretty neat. I don't remember him buying these, so I don't know where they all come from. This one here is a Turnpike, but it's in tough shape. I'm sure he wasn't going to use those. So, yeah, bunch of skirts. That's kind of neat. Saw this box and grabbed it. I thought, well, the mother load is here to have. Nope. A couple of 40 Fords in there. One panel and a sedan. So I remember I painted that sedan years ago for him, and it's in a little bit tough shape. It looks like he's raced it or something at one point, or was going to race it. I don't know, but it looks like it's in pretty tough shape paint job. So not sure what I'll do with that, to be honest. What else has he got here? Little Vicky box. And it's Boxel parts. Kind of cool. A little Vicky there. A little flathead. Interesting. Oh yeah. Little truck. Looks like he's got some lines drawn out on it. He's going to cut it down, channel it or something. Would be my guess he was going to do. Yeah, it's just a bunch of parts in there. I didn't really go through it that well, but that's what it looks like. Got one of these. It did not have a body, but I had a body in it. So I put my body in on it. Because I had used the chassis in that for a different build years ago. And I got a hood. So I was trying different colors, what I wanted to do on a certain build. So I think, I'm not real sure, but I believe this one is complete now. If it's not, I've got another box of this car and it's full of parts, so I'm sure I got enough to build at least one. Got this 55 jukebox Ford. That's still in the bags. Decals are perfect. All he did was open the box up and look at it. So I'll be building that. This is the second one that I've got. Actually, I've got one more. It was a bag kit he bought. But there's not a whole lot of it there. I got a 33 Willys coupe. You can't have enough of these. So I've got oodles of them. Well, I shouldn't say that. Half of them are built, half of them are not built, somewhat built. So this is a one that's complete, and I'll be building that one. I ended up getting one of these, so I'll be taking notes because Zippy's building one right now. So, and I love his builds, man. So, yeah, I'll be seeing what he's going to do. I'm like him as well. I don't care for the scoop. To me, it looks like a shaker scoop. He said the same thing. I just don't like it at all. So I'll be doing something with that. I kept thinking, well, I could paint it blue, but he's painted his blue already, so there's no need in two of us doing the same truck over and over. So I'll see what I come up with on this. I got another color in mind. John Force. I think that's my third one. So I needed some parts off of this, so I robbed it already. So yeah, I mean it's complete. Minus front tire. I had to have a front tire for this build. So grabbed one of these he had over there. Still in the bag, never opened. So I've got 3 of these, and I got plans for all 3. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. We had this one. I've already built this one. Cass Pittman's Willys. Turned out sweet. Really like that build. It is the newer tribute Willys to his one that he ran. It's got some new stuff in it, but that's okay. It still builds up really nice. So I may re-decal it, put something else on it, and this will be a cool build as well. And then last but not least, in the little box, I got a Mr. Gasser still sealed. And it's the small box. It's not the big box. So, 1990 issue, 1990. So stick around, guys. I might be cutting that one open. We can all breathe the 1990 air. Because everything I got, I build. I don't care. I don't care what it's worth. It's still going to be built. This is kind of cool. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. That's going to be about the best I can do. All I have is the tires taped down in there. That I've had for a little bit now. I bought it as a bag kit. That's a Trans Am. It's got the really cool front end. That's the black belt. And excuse me, it's the decals were in really bad shape, so I got some special decals coming for it. That's as far as I'm going with it right now, because I've got several builds ahead of it, and so this is going to be pretty darn sweet, man. I will say this: you see the body. You're going to have to do some homework, but my favorite thing about older cars, drag cars, is I love collecting beer decals. So that's as far as I'm going with it. You see the body? Beer decals. Think about it, and you might remember who drove a car like that. All right. I don't want to give it away. Not yet. Because I don't have the decals, and they won't come in till the 26th of December. It's got the wrong wheels because the wheels that came with the kit are center lines, and they're in bad shape. And I'm missing one in the kit, which is not a big deal. I can come up with it, but I really like these 5-spoke, so I'm going to run with these. I don't care if they're correct or not. Build it for you. Somebody once said that. I think it was a pretty smart move. Well, guys, I've got a bunch more stuff I want to do, talk to you about. I want to get you caught up on my gasser, my naked group build, which I haven't done anything in a bit. I got that little Vega back there. I found that in all my stuff. I've got more to it, but I can't find the rest of it. So once I do, stand back. Somebody's going to be selling me a resin engine. I think that's all I want to talk about right now. I don't think I'll be doing another one tonight because this one here is getting kind of long. All right, guys. Talk at you later. Be good. Have a good weekend. If I don't, today is only Wednesday. I'll probably have something out Friday or Saturday. So be safe. Have a good one. Bye.